A group of people were standing by the roadside, while a few rickshaw pullers were sitting nearby. Suddenly, a small truck came speeding from behind and crashed into them. The entire fault lies with the driver. He was either under the influence of drugs or driving while feeling drowsy. Because of one man's carelessness, so many innocent lives have been harmed today. The lesson we must learn from this tragic incident is clear. Never drive after consuming alcohol or drugs, and never drive when you are sleepy. A single moment of negligence can destroy many lives. Let this be a reminder for all of us. Drive responsibly, stay alert, and protect others on the road.